Okay, we have one of those tools that I'm a big fan of. A Steelite high pressure washer. This is the AZ6004, and we'll take a look inside and see what is actually going on. So let's take it open. And here we have everything we need for this. There's a soap bottle, just in case you don't know what this is. It's very simple and easy. Just goes here, sprays here, attaches in this other side. And then we have the wands. There's two of them. There's one here and the other one here with a spring load inside. I like that. And then what else we have here? This is a sleeve that goes here on the side if you need to, like this, so you can rest the wand. Then we have the cover here, but in a second I'm gonna put this. We need to put the wheels first. Oh, here's the handle, by the way. It's a push-in hose style. You just clip it in like this. That's all. It's done. And you want to take it out, push this here, pushes in, and release. It is that easy. And then, of course, the wands, depending on which one you want to go with, it would go in this way. Put it here. It's a push and twist, if I'm not wrong. Yep. Push it and twist it. Oh yeah, that actually feels good. And you can do that too. That is cool. I'm telling you right now, that is actually really cool. And now, of course, instead of this, we can put the soap if that's what you want. Just push and twist again, right? Like this, and it comes off. And we can put the bottle thingy here, just like this. And now you can push soap through it. That's really cool. Okay, let me take this out and let's put the rest really quick how it goes, because that matters too. Not only the wand, even though I'm having fun, but we need to do some business. Okay, and first line of business. I'm gonna put these wheels on before I forget. They're just clip in like this. When it clicks, that's it. You're done with it. That's all you need to do with the wheels. And we have the filter here before we put the normal hose, garden hose. Here, we put this filter. Look at that, just by hand. You don't need to do anything else. And this is a free spin for your hose. And besides that, we have this top part here. That would be the handles and all that other good stuff. I think this goes in there. Yep, just like this. And it stays there. And it looks really cool, actually. And we can put the cable or the hose here on the side to store it, however you decide to do it. And or you can do this. Look, just like that. Boom. That is cool. So once the rain goes down a little bit, I will go outside and do some real life tests. That's pretty much all I can do. Look at that handle. This thing is actually cool. I really like it. Look at that. Everything is just put together nice. They did a really good job on this one, especially for storing it.